Hello guys, so welcome back. What you're looking at is what we call the AMO coin. And guys, I taught this video a month ago and I showed you guys how to make an AMO coin, guys. What you're looking at is what we call a pumping market, and it's a miracle, guys. So as you can see, this AMO coin was at the exact price of 0 by the time I taught my first video. And I told you guys that I will be making up to 1000 AMO coin. As you can see, we have 958 AMO right here, guys. So before we made this video, previously we did not have any single AMO. We were able to make about 200 AMO in the video. But before I continue right here, guys, I would like you to go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell to stay alerted whenever I post a new video, and make sure that you watch this video to the end for you to understand the way that you can make this money, guys. As you can see, this is the previous video that we did on AMO, and we were able to mine so many AMO. So this AMO is going to be withdrawn, and we are going to show you the series of processes that you can use to make more AMO, guys. So if you want to participate in everything what you're doing right here, all you need to do is to go ahead and join our Telegram group, which I'll be dropping light in the description. This Telegram group contains all the whole necessary information that you will be needing, because we are having a lot of giveaways and a lot of things going on in this Telegram group, guys. So as you can see that we make up to 10k daily, and our daily goals here is 10k. I'm going to show you how you can make up to 10k AMO. As you can see, I have about 958 AMO, guys. So let's go. So the link of this site will be posted down in the Telegram group. So make sure that you join us in our Telegram group to participate in anything that we are doing here right here, guys. So let's go. So I will show you the different ways that you can make this AMO coin. So first of all is that you are going to do your daily claim, which is up to 10 AMO, guys. Then the second one is actually invitation. So when you invite a friend and they join with your code, you get a bonus of $100 worth of AMO, guys. So as you can see that I've invited about 4 referral, and I've not done any stocking, but I'm able to make 958 AMO, guys. So another way that you can actually make more AMO is by running. As you can see, this app actually pays you to be healthy. All you need to do is to go ahead and fix a fixed time that you are going to be performing your exercise. The more you run and mine in this app, it deals with distance and it calculates your distance, and it pays you off, guys. Like I said, as you can see that the payment amount of AMO is actually small. I am not actually going to withdraw now, guys, so I'm going to wait till this AMO increase up to $200 or even $1 for you to be able to withdraw. As you can see that they are going to inform us when we are able to place our wallet. For now, they are going to place the wallet right here. So the content here says that the wallet connect coming soon. So when the wallet actually comes, we are going to be placing our wallet right here, whether it's Meta, whether it's Trust Wallet, any other form of wallet that we are going to use, guys. So if you have any problem trying to connect or trying to claim in this site, all you need to do is to go ahead and watch the previous video that I posted right here for you to be informed and well educated based on how to claim your AMO, guys. So make sure that you go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel, click on the notification bell to stay alerted whenever we post a new video, and don't forget to do the most important thing, which is to like this video that you are watching.